I've been here in UAE past 31 years now. I came in a field of engineering which had to do with a lot of technical ideas to be promoted into the UAE market, while I found that the UAE market was not that developed. And then within a time of 2 to 3 years, I could see that the development was happening. My name is Thomas Philip. I'm the CEO of Petrotek. With Petrotek, we started involving into machineries, the EDM machines, the wire cut machines. Then we introduced the high-end CNC machines, which we found very prospective in the market. And we found that these machines were really covering up the market as such, because the UAE government started getting into all the kind of aero, defense, and most of the production started to begin in the UAE. We are now currently one of the biggest and the largest suppliers of industrial machines, lubricants, and a continuous supply of day-to-day products as an aftermarket. We also do compressors and we do couplings so that a factory as a whole can be covered with our kind of agencies. Petrotek has played a major role in the process and the development into the industrial sector, where people rely on us for many activities which comes while they bring into a new system into the organization. We are thankful for the UAE crowd and UAE entrepreneurs who have supported us.
Hello everybody, do visit us at Petrotek stall, Hall 3, booth 1426.